What's up, you guys? It's your boy Chimchula. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And now, sit back, relax, and enjoy some Red Dead Redemption 2. And I got my letter available. Okay, so awesome. Inspect the letter.
Dear Arthur, I've written this letter
Mary
100
Beth.
times or more, and I cannot get it right. It's me. You know it's me from the bad handwriting. I know I said when we last spoke, and I was going off to get married, that we would not speak again. I know I said a lot of things, and I meant them, I suppose, at the time. But I'm not so proud as to not speak to people who care for me, or cared for me. I've been in Valentine for a couple of months. I had some bad luck, and, well, it's a long story and not an interesting one. But I am here for now. I saw a couple of the girls, or whatever the polite term is for them, that ran with you and your associates in town. And I heard tell of a man who sounded like you. I would love to see you again, if you could spare me a little bit of your time. I'm renting a room at Chadwick Farm, just north of Valentine. Yours, Mary Linton.
Mary Linton? Oh, I thought it was Mary Beth. Okay. Okay. So,
Hey, Arthur. So, a feller in town recognized me from Blackwater. That's not good. It's okay, though. I dealt with it.
looked like you were gonna say something, Dutch.
Tragedies stem from our great inability at basic comprehension.
Who are you?
At least that's the way I've always seen things.
Oh.
Goodbye.
There.
Whoops, sorry.
Never drinking again. Until later.
Until later, that's right. Who's over here, right? Yep, the J. Mr. J,
Hey, Arthur.
you need my assistance. What's up, John?
What do you want?
Uncle told me something about a train.
Uh-oh.
What did he say?
Mary Beth overheard something about a train full of wealthy folk rolling down through Scarlet Meadows just south of the state border.
Yes.
Need help with it?
I ain't even sure about doing it.
Come on. At night, not too guarded, it's perfect.
Nah, I ain't thought it through. You know, stopping a train, pain in
Oh,
the
it's a
ass.
rainbow.
Sure. But what if we could force a train to stop?
Well, of course.
We get a wagon full of something flammable, oil. Put it on the tracks. They see it. They know they either have to stop or die. Ain't no train driver wants to be cooked alive.
That is kind of brilliant. For you. And that is a real idea. I think that's the first time you ever had one of them.
Shut up.
You might be the first bastard to ever have half his brains eaten by a wolf and end up more intelligent.
So we're doing it?
Yeah, we're gonna need ammunition, guns, look real frightening, and some dynamite to open up the train.
I'll get the supplies. Gotta head into town for Abigail anyway. Don't even ask. You go find us an oil wagon.
Yeah, I know just the place. They're always heading into that refinery.
There's an old rundown shack just over the border, north of a place called Dewberry Creek. Leave it hidden somewhere near there.
Very nice. My beard's growing out. Wagons that can be stolen for John are blipped with that. Okay. So we're like setting up for the heist. Let's just go get those wagons. What the fuck's going on over there?
You there. Would you be interested in some friendly competition?
Of course, let's go.
I I've come all the way north from Mexico to challenge a real American gunslinger. You him?
Yeah, hold on one sec. Except.
Hey, real gunslinger? Let's find out.
Okay, man. That's what I like to hear. Look, man, rules are simple, okay? Whoever shoots more of these bottles wins. Just draw your gun and aim when you're ready, all right? Damn it all! How the hell did
That's
you
how
beat me,
you
huh?
do it. That's how you do it.
Better shot, I suppose.
That didn't make me happy at all. How about we raise the stakes, huh?
Why not?
Aha, that's a good call, amigo. Okay. Whoever shoots 4 birds out of the sky first wins. Simple enough?
Where are the birds?
Stand near me, and as soon as they come out, it's anyone's shot. Be
All right.
patient. Ah, there the... Shoot!
Shit. He got me.
It was a good try, but maybe next time, huh?
Hey, maybe don't.
Listen, you need to pay me for your loss, okay?
How about we antagonize
I
you?
ain't giving you shit.
Okay, give me what you owe me, cowboy.
Ooh, shit. And I'll take that hat too. Oh wait, I didn't mean it to pick you up. My fault. Here, let's just throw you over the edge. There we go. Sombrero. Thank you very much. Awesome.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? A witness to murder? What do you mean? There was nobody who witnessed anything. Hold up. I need to chase them down. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, he was injured anyway. Enemies were led to camp? What? Don't you dare look at anything. They're gonna see something. That is sick.
No, no.
Hey, buddy. Come here. Ha ha, fuck, dude. We just blew his ass away. Oh, shit. Boom.
You're done.
Shit.
Got a fine box for you, boy.
No. I forgot to put on my mask. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, I just hit that. Ooh. Hey, there we go. Sick. Come on, roadkill. Hey, there we go. Oh, it's leaking. What's leaking? Oh shit, I shot it. Remember? I shot it. I really wonder. Let's do something fun. Oh no, it's gonna follow me. It's gonna follow me now. Can it really follow it? It's following it. It's following it. Whoa, 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 whoa. I wonder if, like, I can ride it all the way back. Ride it all the way up here. And it still will be following. Oh, wait, no, it's raining. So it should be fine now. Awesome. That doesn't stop the hole that's leaking half the fuel out. Look, it's still leaking.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I shouldn't have done that. Huh.
Yep.
Hell yeah, did it. Oh, shit. Can't jump up that. Who needs help? Who needed help? Are you stuck, buddy?
Surprise, motherfucker.
There you are. Oh, shit! Jesus Christ! Hey! Get back here! We're gonna get that son of a bitch. Oh, no! I am so sorry. God damn it, horse. You made that buck get away. That was actually pretty funny. There we go. Now you can't mate. There we go. Anyone else want to hit me? Hey, you. Oh, that's a horse.
Over here.
Shit. Come on, girl. Don't die on me now. Shit. There we go. Stay alive. Stay alive for me, girl. Stay alive. Stay alive. There you go. Bitch. You okay? Here. Let's calm you down a bit. That was intense. It's okay, Bob. Here. You deserve it. Oh, shit. Dual pistols now. Can't believe I hadn't already done that.
Let's talk about this. Arthur, come lend a hand here.
Go ahead and call your mama for all I care.
Take it easy. I got lumbago.
Look at that. Smarten him up, will you?
Oh, hell. Wasting my time anyway.
Is that Uncle?
You could have stepped in.
I thought you had it covered.
Just wait till you're old. I'll be at camp if you need me.
That's funny.
Get that mask off before I call the law.
Alright, chill. Alright, John. The wagon's there.
John?
Let's get on.
Good. And you?
Got everything we need.
Good. I think we need another man. Charles?
I'll go get him. Meet us at the wagon when you can.
Sure.
See, Arthur? Ain't that dumb.
Next time, let the wolves eat all your brain. Then you'll be a genius.
Alright. What is the A? Abigail. What's Abigail need? Abigail, what you sulking about?
Hey, Arthur.
What is it?
Can I ask you a favor?
Probably not.
Very funny. Would you do something with Jack? He seems kind of down. All this upheaval can't have been easy on the poor kid.
Why? Because I'm your preferred nursemaid?
Because you do what you say. Please?
Okay. I'll take him in the morning.
Thank you.
Awesome. Get to spend time with Jack. But why do I have to? Why can't John do it, huh? I mean, he is his father. Hey, buddy. You want to do something?
What you up to?
Playing,
Oh my god, he's adorable.
I guess.
You want to come fishing with me?
Fishing?
Sure. You're... It's about time that you started to earn your keep.
Okay,
Good. Let's go get your pole then. Now, you do have a fishing pole, don't you?
I sure do. Uncle Jose made me one.
Good. Well, let's go get it then. Go catch us some fish.
Yeah.
He's so little. Heh.
All right. Let's go then.
So, where are we going?
Just down to the river near here. You shouldn't go too far from camp.
Oh, okay.
You feeling better? I know you was a little sick.
Oh, I'm fine.
You're a brave kid.
So, just like you.
Well, I don't know about brave. I ain't much of a kid no more. Well, your mama might disagree. Her and a few other women, I guess.
What do you mean?
I'm just talking silly. Tough few weeks up in that snow.
I like the snow.
Yes, but not like that.
When are we going back to the other camp?
The one near Blackwater?
Yeah.
Well, we're not. This is our spot. For now, anyway. Why?
I forgot a storybook there. We left so quick.
Well, I'm
Oh,
sure
really?
someone can get you another storybook. All right. This looks as good a spot as any.
Oh, nice. Nice little cinematic camera right when the horse started to shit.
Where should we stand, Uncle Arthur?
Down by the shore. Come on, follow me.
Don't step in it.
Just by the water there? You mean?
Yeah, right over here.
I can't wait to get started. You show me where, Uncle Arthur.
Right over here. Right along here. Okay, so I can fish.
First, we need some bait.
Cheese.
I'm gonna use some cheese.
Cheese?
Smellier the better. Now, cast your line. Swing the rod back over your shoulder and bring it forward in a smooth motion. Use your wrist, not your elbow.
Like that?
That's it. Good. All we do now, Jack, is wait for a fish to take the bait.
How do I know when I've got a bite?
Well, if you feel the tip of your fishing rod just twitching, don't yank it yet. That just means one's nibbling. If you feel a hard tug, that's a fish going for the bait, so yank hard to hook it.
I think you've got a bite. Look.
There we go.
I see. I see.
You see him fighting there, Jack? That's when you gotta be careful. You'll break the line. Best to wear him out first before you try to reel him in. Well, seems like he's taking a rest now. I'm gonna try reeling him in nice and steady.
Very nice.
Look, Jack, it's a bluegill. It's almost as small as you. We should really throw these smaller ones back. Give them a chance to grow up a bit.
Set an example for him.
Can I take a break from fishing? I want to make something.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick some of those red flowers. I'll be right back.
You be careful.
All right. Let's see what's biting there.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go, Jack? There you are. Keep him in my sight. There
You
he
gotta
is.
stick at things, Jack.
I know. Fishing sure is boring, Uncle Arthur.
That's just a part of fishing, Jack.
Oh, no.
Boring as hell. But then,
Damn it.
something happens. You can get food for days,
Really?
Shit.
if you're lucky. But until then, you just sit, wait, try not to worry. It's good for you,
It's good for you?
I guess.
Huh. Hey, look at this.
And what?
This necklace I made.
Necklace?
For Mama.
Sure.
What a fine young man. And in such complex circumstances. Arthur, isn't it? Arthur Morgan?
Who are you?
Yes, Arthur Morgan. Vanderlyn's most trusted associate. You've read the files. Typical case. Orphaned street kid seduced by that maniac's silver tongue and matures into a degenerate murderer. Agent Milton? Agent Ross. Pinkerton Detective Agency, seconded to the United States government. Nice to finally meet. We know a lot about you.
Do you?
You're a wanted man, Mr. Morgan. There's $5,000 for your head alone.
$5,000? For me? Can I turn myself in?
We want Vanderlyn.
Old Dutch. I haven't seen him for months.
That's so. Because I heard a guy fitting his description robbed a train belonging to Leviticus Cornwall up near Granite Pass.
Oh, ain't that a little old-fashioned nowadays?
Apparently not. Listen,
Should have killed those motherfuckers.
this is my offer, Mr. Morgan. Bring in Vanderlyn, and you have my word you won't swing.
Oh, I ain't gonna swing anyways, Agent.
Milton,
You see, I haven't done anything wrong, aside from not playing the games to your rules.
spare me the philosophy lesson. I've already heard it from Mac Callender.
Matt Callender.
He was pretty shot up by the time I got to him. So really, it was more of a mercy killing. Slow, but merciful.
You enjoy being a rich man's toy, do you?
I enjoy society, flaws and all. You people venerate savagery, and you will die. Savagely, all of you.
Oh, we're all gonna die, Agent.
Some of us sooner than others. Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Goodbye.
Enjoy your fishing, kid, while you still can.
Who are they?
No one to worry about, no one at all. Come on, let's pick up your things and get home. It's getting late, Jack. Your mother'll be worried. Let's head back.
They're gonna follow me.
Why did you lie about where Uncle Dutch is?
Because, well, because those are disagreeable men. And I don't want them to hurt him.
What did they mean about Mac? Is he in jail?
No, I don't think so. I hope he's just fine where he is. Like I said, don't worry about them. The world is full of disagreeable men. That's why you got all of us, to protect you. Folk like them. Now, how about that necklace you made? You still got it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Did you like fishing?
It was okay, I think. It's a lot of waiting around.
It is.
That was crazy. There's Abigail.
There you are. How you boys getting on?
Great! We caught a fish, and I made you this necklace.
Ain't that pretty? Ain't I the luckiest? Did you thank Uncle Arthur?
No need. We had a good time.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just met some folk. I better go speak with Dutch.
Okay.
Hey, you did real fine, kid.
Thanks.
We got a problem.
What?
I just met some guys out near the river. A fella named, Milton, and, I don't remember the other fella's name. Ross. Milton and Ross. And they are employees of the Pinkerton Detective Agency. And they know about the train, and they know we're here.
Were you followed back here?
No, they know we're near here. And they want you, Dutch. They offered me my freedom in exchange, they did.
Why didn't you take it?
Very funny. Well, what do we do now?
I say we do nothing. Just yet. They're just trying to scare us into doing something stupid. We have turned a corner. We survived them mountains. We just need to stay calm.
Alright, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.